Hey everybody, Squirrel Dev here, back here again. Today I have some really exciting news concerning the Liberator DX2 server. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. So, thanks to Luke FZ on Discord, also on GitHub, I have finally managed to decrypt the encryption stuff that goes on between the game and the server. As you know from prior videos, if you've watched them, the official APK, what it does is whenever it contacts the server, it's a huge string of what essentially doesn't look like much of anything. And apparently, what I didn't really know is that it's a common technique. But, I just really didn't know that. And so originally I just found a way to bypass it so you can see the parameters without without having to worry about the encryption. Now, the downside of that is, of course, you needed to maintain several different versions of the app. You needed to maintain a MITM version of the app, which is basically just official version with one patch put in that allows you to look at the traffic, or you could just use the original version. It's essentially the Play Store version, and you needed a special patched version that contained a special modified library, and you could modify that yourself. I've shown you guys how to do that before. Well, I am here to announce that no more shall that be necessary. Now, I should point out that originally he gave me the file code in Python, but it just took a little bit of tweaking to convert it into JavaScript and implement it in my server. And I will be honest, I don't know half of what this says. This is all his code. Well, his code ran through ChatGPT to convert it to JavaScript, but everything works. And this little function right here is just a kind of a sub-function completely separate from decrypt. All it does is turn whatever string you give it into an input JSON object, and the module exports both the decrypt and that string. And I didn't do much. The only file I put it in right now is login.js, but as you can see right here, it's just a couple of lines of code. Const decrypt equals require /tool/decrypt, and that'll import this JavaScript file. And then all I have to do is let the decrypt param equals decrypt.string-to-JSON object, and then decrypt.decrypt rec query param. And then instead of UUID equals rec.query.uuid, it would be dec_param.uuid. And so what that would mean is that I would no longer require param tools. I can actually completely snuff it out because I don't need to work around with param anymore. As you know, some of my other stuff required param tools. I'm looking for one that requires one. Give me a sec. Yeah, param tools. And working with param tools just caused everything to be kind of complicated. But now that I can finally view that decrypted string and completely decrypt it, well, now I don't have to worry that much. And let me go ahead and show you guys just real quick. Let's go ahead and open the file. Yes, that is my name. No, I don't care about doxing myself. Where are you? Test.js. This is just this with a parameter already put in it. So actually, let's go ahead and cd /desktop test.js. There we go. And as you see here, it just decrypts platform equals 2 and country equals US and lang. And I don't have to worry about the param equals at the beginning either, because it just takes that string. And so that would just make things a heck of a lot easier, and it also does double duty of verifying the key and the signature for the thing. Again, I don't know half of what this function's doing, but of course I can just take out the console logs if needed. But other than that, that's really all I have to do for the update. So as of right now, the server is broken. I did update the README as well, so both his or hers, I don't know which gender Luke FZ prefers, but they're all, you know, in the GitHub, and it'll be in the description below as well. I will be working in the next couple of days to bring the server back up to snuff so that it works again, and I will have a video within the week, or by next week, basically as a status update. But other than that, that's just really all I have to do. Right, considering the recent poll that I did, I have actually decided to go back on converting the server to C# and instead just doing it, keeping it in Node.js. I found an app that allows me to run Node.js on a mobile phone. I can adapt that if needed and provides instructions to you guys, when the time comes. But other than that, I mean, not much else. I have yet to start on the tutorial series. If you would, leave a comment down below on what you guys would like me to show you, because I've never done a tutorial series before, really. So I'd very much appreciate it if, you guys would give me some feedback. So I'll leave you, just give it in the description, or you can contact me on Discord. My Discord will also be in the description. But other than that, that's basically it. So this is Squirrel Dev, signing out.